Hey guys, welcome to this training. So today we'll be learning about the broker Hugosway and the trading platform MT4. So in order to start trading, we must connect our broker to our trading platform. So we must connect Hugosway to MT4 as you can see from the screen. So what is a broker? First thing and foremost, a broker is the middleman or the intermediary between the traders and the market. So we need a middleman in order to access the market which we will access through MetaTrader 4. And so that's why we need to connect the two together. So we'll be starting on with Hugosway, creating an account with Hugosway, which will be going on the internet to do so. As you can see from my screen, you will go on hugosway.com and create a sign up account and put all your data in, put all your information, and be able to sign up. Exactly. So here you can see I will be signing up after having put all my information in, and then they will send you an email to verify your email account. So you will go into your email, look at the email that they sent you, and verify your email address. And such, here's Hugosway that has sent me the email, and then the way to be able to verify it. So there I will be completing the sign up. So once you go into the email and tab with Hugosway is going to appear, and you're going to have to fill in additional information such as your number, which currency you want to be trading in, and so on and so forth, your birthday, and so on and so forth. So I will be going a little faster on that. And then you'll be able to create your account officially. Okay, so once your account has officially been created, it's going to prompt you to log in. And so you're just going to put the email address that you chose and the password to be able to log back in. And this is how it's going to look like once you're logged in. So on the next section, we're going to show you exactly how to navigate Hugosway. So once you're in Hugosway, there's 3 or 4 different sections that you can use, which is deposit, withdraw, my accounts, or internal transfer. So now we're just going to show you right away how to deposit money in so that you can start trading it right away. So you're going to click on a deposit, so make a deposit. You're going to select the currency that you want to use, which is US dollars, and then you're going to choose which way you want to deposit the money. So it's going to be through Bitcoin, and we're going to put around $500. So once you do that, you're going to have to go, it's going to send you the address that you're going to send the money to. So you're going to have to go to your Bitcoin or crypto wallet. So mine is Cash App. And now send the money from your crypto wallet into Hugosway. So with the address that they sent you. So I'm going to be doing that real fast on this, the process. Again, to have more information on exactly how it works, please reach out directly to your mentor, to your coach. But this is how the process is going to be. You're going to just send the money from, again, your crypto wallet. Mine in this way is Hugosway. So I'm going to be sending mine is Cash App. So I'm going to be sending $500 from Cash App into Hugosway. So I'm going to deposit $500 from my Cash App account, which is my crypto wallet account, into Hugosway. And this is the process. Okay, now, so we just have to wait for Hugosway to receive the money. It'll take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on the traffic on the blockchain. But once it does, it will send you an email that it received the money. So here it goes, received $494.23. So once Hugosway received the money, you will see it appear on the top right corner with the wallet logo. The money will be shown that it was received and that it's there. So now that the money is in Hugosway, the next step is to be able to put that money from Hugosway, which is in the broker's account, into the MetaTrader 4 account. So now the first step to doing so is that you have to create an account connected to MetaTrader 4 on Hugosway. So this is the process. You will go to create an account. Then you will select Hugosway MT4 ECN. And then you will select the currency, which is US dollars, and select the leverage. We usually like to leverage 500. If you want more information on what leverage is, stay tuned on the course. So put 500 and then create an account. So now you've officially created an account that is connected to MT4, a Hugosway account connected to MT4. So it will show you an email with all the login information that you will need, like this, in order to access that Hugosway account that is connected to your MetaTrader 4. So here's all the information. Okay, so now that that's it, now we must go into MetaTrader 4, which is our trading platform. Yay! Now on your MetaTrader 4 app, make sure you have that downloaded if you have an iPhone from the App Store, if you have an Android from Google Play. But once you download it, it might look a little different on an Android, but the concept is the same. You will go to Settings and click on a new account. And then from new account, you will click on log into an existing account. And from log into an existing account, you will go on the search bar and search Hugosway Live. Now, please double check in your email that the server of your account is Hugosway Live, because it might vary. Sometimes they send different servers. So double check what your server is and make sure that that's what you type in on the MetaTrader 4 search bar. So Hugosway Live is mine, and then you will see it appear. And so all you're going to have to do is click on it. Now it's going to ask you for the login info and the password. So that's what you will copy and paste directly from the email address that Hugosway sent you. So the login, you will copy that, and you will go and come back and paste it on MetaTrader 4, and you will also copy the password and go on and paste that into the MetaTrader 4 app. And then you can go ahead and sign in. And once you sign in, this is exactly how it looks like. So here's a quotes page, here's a chart, here's a trading page, then you can have your history and everything. So now we have to make sure that the money that we put in Hugosway actually shows up on our MetaTrader 4 account. So the next step now is to get back on Hugosway and now go to internal transfer. So you will select internal transfer because now you have to transfer the money that's on Hugosway to the account, the MetaTrader 4 account. So we'll go in internal transfer. We're going to select from wallet, so from the Hugosway wallet to the MetaTrader 4. So you're going to select wallet to MetaTrader 4. You're going to select the wallet that has $494 in my case, and however much money you have. And then you're going to select to the MetaTrader 4 account that should have money or should not if you don't have any money in it yet. And then you're going to tell them how much money you want to transfer and just request the transfer. And so I've put everything in and the transfer was successful. So now you're just going to go back into MetaTrader 4 just to double check that the money is indeed was transferred. But on Hugosway, the wallet will show $0, or it will show that the money has left. And here it is on my MetaTrader 4 showing that the money was indeed well received. Here's the $494.23 received in my MetaTrader 4, and now I'm ready to trade live. Let's go. Don't actually have money to put into your account right away, you can always create a demo account and practice with that. So to create an account, you're going to go on Hugosway again and create an account and select Hugosway demo this time. Put the leverage 500 and then put the amount that you want to have in your demo account, which can be up to 100,000. Now they're always going to send you an email just like such, and then you're going to go back on MetaTrader 4, log into a new existing account, and then in the search bar look for Hugosway demo. And now put in the login information that they sent you, so the login and the password, and ta-da! Now you have your demo ready. If you need to slow it down, please do, but it's the same process as creating a real account, just shorter. So on this last and final section, I will be showing you how to navigate MT4. Now that you have your demo account created or your live account with the money inside, now you have to know how to actually use it so you can enter a trade and make money. So now you can go ahead and open your MT4 app, and the first thing that you need to be on is the quotes page. This is the first and foremost most important thing to be on, because this is where you're going to have all the things that you want to exchange in the market. Now you're going to click on the cross sign at the top right corner. Again, if you have an Android, it looks slightly different, but it's the same concept on the cross sign. And then there on the search bar, you can search for anything that you want to be able to exchange, any pair that you want to be able to exchange. So here we're just going to add Euro USD, NZD USD, USD CAD. So once you add them, you click on the green arrows, and once you add them, you go back to your quotes page, and it's going to be shown as the last things on the page, the last order on the page. So you will see them at the bottom. Now you can see that your AUD USD, Euro USD was added. If you want to take them out, you can click on the pencil logo on the top left corner and then just delete them out of your quotes page. So this is how you're going to be able to add or remove things on your quotes page depending on what you want to trade. Now once you have everything added on your quotes page, here are the three main things you must know. The selling price is what appears on the left corner. So the exchange rate and the sell price of all of these currency pairs is what appears on the left side. Now, of course, on the right side is what is the buy price, the buying price. So if you were to buy any of these currencies, this is what the buying price would be. So for Euro USD, it would be 87.84. With that Euro GBP, sorry. But here's the buying price. Now that we know where the selling and buying price are, what the next thing you need to know is the spread. So the spread is going to be this little number that appears right under the name of the currency pairs. The spread is essentially just the cut of the broker. So of course, when you signed up for Hugosway, we didn't have to pay anything, but as soon as we enter a trade, the broker is going to take its percentage, its cut. So that is what the spread is. And it's really just the difference between the selling price and the buying price is the spread. But it really is, again, the cut of the broker. So now we're going to show you how to actually get into a trade. So you're going to tap as it showed. You're just going to tap on whichever currency you want to sell, you want to trade, and then you're just going to click on trade once it appears. We're going to show you how to get into chart later into the course. So once you click on trade, the first thing that you need to have and make sure it's on is market execution. So it will appear on the top in the middle like this, market execution. Make sure it's on that. So that means that we're going to answer a trade right away. We're going to execute a trade right away. Now the next thing is the lot size. So the lot size is the next important thing. That is how much you're going to be risking into the market. It's called a lot. Now I have a lot of 10, which is a lot, especially if you're coming in with $500 like I did. So we're going to have to put it down. But if you're new, you're going to just change the lot size to 0.01, and later into the course you're going to learn a little bit more about how to understand which lot size to use. But the starting lot is 0.01, so make sure you have that added into your MetaTrader 4, 0.01 in the middle. Now the next things you're going to have to know is the stop loss and take profit. So a stop loss is essentially if the market is going against our direction. So if we're predicting that it's going to go up, but instead the market is going down, so we're losing money, we don't want to lose too much. So in that case, we're going to put a stop loss. Now a take profit is obviously the opposite. If the market is going our direction, so we're going to be making money, we know it's going to reach a certain area, and so we want to get out automatically once it reaches our goal. So you don't have to be sitting on your laptop, on your phone all day to wait for these numbers to reach. You put them automatically, and it will get you out of the trade, whether it's in loss if it reaches a stop loss, or in gain if it reaches the take profit. Now you're going to be able to either buy or sell depending on what the trade is, but you're just going to have to click on buy or sell. And once you're in a trade, this is how it's going to look like. It's going to appear at the bottom of the screen, the last thing you're on. But this is essentially how the market, you're going to be able to take a trade on MetaTrader 4. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If If you have more questions, please reach out to me directly, and hope that you were able to learn how to connect your Hugosway account to the MetaTrader 4 and be able to now navigate at the basis MetaTrader 4 to take your first trade. And good luck on your trading journey. This is just the beginning.